it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I've got an unboxing for you of this month's secret scent box. So yes, just before we get started and unboxing the actual box itself, this is how it comes. It comes in a little cardboard box that is absolutely perfect sized to fit through your letterbox. So it means you don't have to worry about being in or about answering the door to someone. This will just fit nicely through your letterbox. So perfect. So if you haven't seen anything about Secret Scents box before, basically what it is it's a fragrance or perfume subscription box. In the box each month you get 3 designer fragrances with enough to last you for the entire 30 days of that month. There are various different ones, so I can't tell you what's in here yet. It costs £13 a month, which for a month's supply isn't too bad, I don't think. I think it's a really nice idea. It gives you a chance to try scents before you actually buy them, to wear them around a little bit and see what you think. So I think it's perfect. So let's open the box and see which scents we get this month. Okay, so once we open our little cardboard envelope, our secret scents this month are presented in a nice little black box. Always really nice presented. And if we open that up, inside we'll get our little June edition for her. And obviously there is a male version available, so if you need to check that out Friday morning, do so. And then we get our 3 perfumes and we get a card about each of the different perfumes. So I'm just going to talk you through those and give each of these a little smell. Okay, so we'll just start with the very first one in the box and I'm going to read you the little information. So this one is from Burberry and it is Touch for Women. It's a luminous, fruity, floral fragrance with a serene and delicate nature. Touch represents the intimacy and sensuality of modern relationships. It has top notes of blackcurrant, dewberry and pink peppercorn with middle notes of jasmine, lily, peach, raspberry and tuberose. It has base notes of cedarwood, oak moss and vanilla. Oh, I like vanilla. So I'm going to just give that a little spray onto the card and see what I think of the smell. Okay. Quite like that one. I can pick up kind of the undernotes of the vanilla, and I love vanilla. No, I quite like that one. It's quite a nice fragrance. I thought it was going to be very musky at first, but I think it's actually quite subtle and quite nice. I quite like that. It's perfect kind of day-to-day perfume, I think. Okay, so that's our first perfume. Okay, so moving on, our next scent is from Calvin Klein, and this one is called Eternity Summer. It's a brand new fragrance inspired by a beautiful summer sunset. Eternity Summer evokes the alluring romance of the season in this sensual scent. It has top notes of rose, bergamot and violet leaf, with middle notes of ginger, jasmine, sambac and coconut nectar, with base notes of musk, velveteer and, goodness me, guaiac wood? My goodness, I don't know. Anyway, let's give this one a smell. Okay, so I feel like that one's really subtle. Quite nice. I quite like it's quite like a fresh, feminine kind of a scent. Yes, I quite like that one. I mean, I'm not immediately picturing summer sunsets or anything, but I do like that one. Okay, and the very last perfume then in this month's box is Vera Wang Flower Princess. I do like the Vera Wang Princess perfumes. I haven't tried this one though, so this one will be nice. So, one of our favourites from Vera Wang, an enchanting fragrance experience that radiates freshness, capturing the warm sunlit flowers in bloom. So it has top notes of ivy, water lily and tangerine, with middle notes of jasmine, orange blossom, mimosa and rose, and it's got base notes of amber, musk, apricot and precious woods. So let's give this one a spray and a sniff. Okay, that's really nice. It's very, again, they're quite subtle perfumes in this box, which is kind of the perfumes I like. No, I like that one, that's really nice. So I actually own the Vera Wang Standard Princess, so I'm just going to give that a little spray on the advert card we get. Just to compare the two. Yes, the one we get in this box is definitely more florally. But I like that. Like I said, I do like beer wine perfumes. So that is June's secret scent box. Like I say, it's just the perfect way to try a new fragrance or perfume without splashing out on the big bottle, because if you're anything like me, you won't know if you like a perfume right away. You have to kind of wear it and like live with it a little bit just to know if perfume's going to be nice or it's going to annoy you. I know I'm weird with smells. But anyway, I'm really happy with this one's box. I like each and every one of these perfumes. They're quite up my street, so I look forward to wearing these over the coming month. So if you're interested in the secret scent box, I will link it down below. Always check out and see if they've got any discount codes on at the minute. They often give you like money off your first box and things, so check it out on the website before you subscribe. Like I say, I really like it as an idea for a subscription box. I think it's perfect if you like trying different fragrances and things. So if you do know anybody that likes fragrances and it's not yourself, I also think it would make a fantastic gift. So that was this month's secret scent unboxing. Let me know what you think, drop me a comment below. And if you've enjoyed the video, then please as ever, will you do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I've got plenty more videos coming. I try to upload Tuesdays, Thursdays and Face Mask Fridays. So until then, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.